Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. There's this adage that said a prophet is not respected in his own home, and the fact that you do not know what you have till you lose it. One of the things I have observed, and many Nigerians out there have observed, is that the strongest supporters of Biafra actualization or Igbo sovereignty has always been those outside Igbo land, those outside the southeast, giving strong voices to the sovereignty and the beauty and the strength of the Igbos. A typical example is what Gani Adams said when he spoke about the issue of insecurity and warning the southeast governors not to fight against their very own, especially those who have been agitating for the sovereignty of Biafra. But one strong voice that has been speaking, and is a prominent politician, and his voice is quite strong, that generated a lot of reactions on social media. Nigerians are basically surprised coming from a man of that authority and a man of repute of that nature. People are wondering what could have come over him, but he said nothing but the absolute truth. In fact, if you ask me, he just mentioned the fact that most average Nigerians, most politicians who know the history have decided to hide behind propaganda and not face the truth headlong. But before we go to the news proper to find out who this politician is and the fact he mentioned and how he dates it back to history and the ingenuity of the Igbos, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the Civil Bed Group founder, Senator Ben Morris Bros, has shown to spark support for Igbo sovereignty via a message he sent out to his people, his fans in particular. He wrote, and I quote, he said, Igbos are the richest in Nigeria and most intelligent. But why do they want a nation of their own? He said the answer is simple. Now, hear what he said about the Igbos, quite very strong. He had to date it back from history and brought it to now and into the future. He said during the Nigerian Civil War, Igbos produced all their weapons they used to fight the war, but Nigerians did not manufacture even a gun. After the whole saga, the chaos, Nigeria still could not produce even toothpick as a country, but Igbos are still producing cars like the innocent motors. They produce clothes. If you go to Abia area, things are happening there. And they produce shoes. Emeka Sons and Sons, Ifeanyi and Co. They are known for production. Let's continue. He said an average Igbo man believes that Nigeria is suppressing his talents, and that is why they want a separate nation where they can reach their potentials. The day Nigeria starts to cooperate with Igbo man will be the day Nigeria will compete with the rest of the world. He said it the way it is. See, our challenge in this country is that sometimes what you don't have and you desire it, appreciate it. Okay, go and check those who have strong exports, those who have gone across or stopped the issue of indebtedness. Nigeria is heavily indebted because we borrow, we don't produce, we don't export. Look at Innocent. The other day, I can't forget it, sometime in 2020, there was a debate in the House. I'm talking about House of Rep and Senate House, where they were debating, should they use innocent motors or not? You are buying other brands of vehicles, and you have one who does production of vehicles. You should flood the whole Nigerian market with innocent motors. To the point that after flooding, imagine 200 million Nigerians who can afford a car buying innocent motors. Whether it is sporty or not, just grow the brand. Before you know it, we'll start selling it to the world. Why don't we sell what we have? How can we, in a country so vast, so big, we can't even produce toothpick and export it? We have oil and gas. We don't even refine it in Nigeria. We take it outside to Niger. They refine it for us and sell it back to us. And we have people who do us this thing, for crying out loud. And we have the ingenuity of an Igbo man that we can easily and quickly harness, so that we take our GDP from this red level that is showing to a green level, so that we stop borrowing, because it's what you have in your reserve. As you keep exporting, you keep making profit. How many people have gone to Adaria market and patronized that Ifeanyi and Sons shoemaker? the cobbler? Have you gone to area market, Opi Weka, and buy that new movie that was done by Emeka and Sons? Instead, we rather go and patronize foreign things. We have this mentality that Nigerian things are low grade. Have we supported them with the things, the wherewithals, the funds? The Igbo man is ingenious. He has what it takes. All he's looking for is enabling environment. Okay, look at this man that is saying this is not even an Igbo, it's not a core Igbo, it's not even an Igbo man, but he's saying it the way it is. Why can't we support our own? Why the pull down syndrome? The reason why we are not supporting our own, or rather you do not want a particular tribe to shine, is simply because you don't want them to get to their potential. It doesn't stop them from knowing their potential. Imagine supporting an Igbo man. Okay, politics is a bit out of it. Support his business, give him what it takes, give him an enabling environment, allow the market to try for him. Yes, production is the way out. We have the ready market. Imagine 200 million Nigerians patronizing the shoemakers that are from the southeast or any part of Nigeria that would dare to produce. We have what it takes, but the challenge is, are we going to encourage them? That fear of do not let them come above, for they will now begin to chest beats. It is the one that is what one of the major reasons why Nigeria is where it is today, because you feel that if he gets to his climax of his glory, he will now begin to feel superior. But if it gets to the climax of his glory, Nigeria will definitely leave recession. Nigeria will definitely leave borrowing and become a country that even lends, because we'll be exporting. Imagine even in Ebonyi State, they produce local rice, very nutritious rice, very very nutritious rice. How many of us eat local rice? No, we can't. We can't be eating local rice. We take Uncle Ben's. Why? Because we believe our products are local products and they are not quality products. But yet we want to patronize the foreign product, making our country a dumping ground. Why don't we export for a change? Why don't we encourage our farmers? Why don't we encourage our very own? So that in producing, they also employ. In employing, standard of living is improved. You see the trickle-down effect. Nigeria generally will improve. This issue of insecurity, everybody taking into, it won't even happen. Everybody will be busy producing something. We'll be the next China, the next Japan of the world. We have what it takes, but instead of appreciating, promoting the Igbo man to harness what he's got, his talent, his skill, rather, the pull down syndrome is everywhere. The young man who goes like Innocent had to be dogged in his business to be able to stay above par. No encouragement of any quarter, but there's some persons in other regions where they give them free flow of the economy, free flow of the market, so that they don't have competitors. But yet Innocent, even that little, and there's so many innocents out there in the southeast waiting for the right market. Let's meet in that comment section. Do you agree with what Ben Bruce said? I stand to be corrected. Let's